Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can earn up to $500 watching YouTube videos. This opportunity is for everyone, no matter where you are in the world. If you would like to learn how to do this, continue watching this video and I'm going to show you how. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel I make videos about how to make money online. I make videos also about different business ideas you can start in order for you to start earning online. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. Do you know that you can make a lot of money from YouTube? There is a way that I'm going to show you today that you can make money online watching YouTube videos. This is very simple to do. It's going to be a very quick video because it's something that is very simple, and I am just going to get into it and show you how you can do this. In order for you to start earning, you need to know the kind of videos that people like the most on YouTube. And right now, the videos that people like the most on YouTube are video games. Millions and millions of people watch video games, and right now the most popular video game is Minecraft. So let's search Minecraft. Minecraft is one of the most popular games that is being watched on YouTube. People watch it consistently or continuously. You have millions and millions of views. You can see just in 2 days you have 1.4 million of views. A lot of people are interested in watching video games. So you can take advantage of this and make money online through these videos. So we are just going to click here. So this is the video that has 1.4 million views and people are still watching. So what you need to do is to copy the URL of this video. And to copy, you just need to click share. And then when you click share, you take copy link. That's the link. And then you just copy it and wait. The next step is for you to shorten your link. Now this is where you make the money. There are a lot of URL shorteners out there that will pay you for using them. There are over 40, 50, you can see here they have listed 20. All of these websites, if you shorten your link using this website, they will pay you once that link is being clicked. So that's how you make your money on YouTube. The link will go for, because they are the ones that pay the most, is shrinkme.io. So we are going to go to shrinkme.io. We shorten our link and then we will be able to make money through that link. So once you get to shrinkme.io, you have to register an account. I'm just going to log into my already registered account. I'm just going to sign in here, and they say this is to identify that you are not a robot. So this is my account. So once you create an account, they're just going to give you $1. And all you need to do is to click shorten new link. You remember the link we copied from the game from YouTube. You paste your link here and you click shorten. So they will shorten this link for you. And once people click this link, they are going to watch an ad. And once they watch that ad, you are going to get paid. So what you have to do is to copy this link. So once they watch this ad, they are going to be taken to the video. Remember the video we copied from YouTube. They will be taken to that video and then they can watch. But you are getting paid because they have clicked, because they have gone to that video through this link. So this link is how you get paid. Now the next question I know you have in your mind is, how do I get people to click on my link? So that's what I'm going to show you. In order for you to get people to click on your link, you have to search Minecraft forums. Remember that the game that we copied from YouTube, which is the most watched game now, it's called Minecraft. So you click their forum, you go to their forum and you create an account. So this is their forum. You can see people are posting a lot of video links here, and since this forum is for those who like to watch video games, you can post your link here, and people will click your link and watch that Minecraft game from YouTube, and you get paid just because they click your link. So you come here to forum. So this is where you have to post your link. So you just post your link here, and you can say something like, hey, this is an amazing game that is very enjoyable. If you can join me to watch, we will have fun, or anything that you think can draw people to clicking your link. You can see here this one has just posted Minecraft is a racist. You know, this is a game on YouTube. If you click here, it's going to take you to his YouTube. I'm sure he's also making money through the same means. You can see he has 91,000 views. This one has 81,000, 71,000. So people are actually clicking on the link. And the more you click on the link, the more money you make. Now, let me show you how much you make. So with ShrinkMe is going to pay you $220 for every 10,000 views. So just imagine if on this forum you have like 91,000 views, that's already more than $500. That's close to $800 already you've made. And it's just so easy for you to get people to click. All you need to do is to comment, paste your link, and tell them what the video game is all about and how it's enjoyable, and they are going to click. So these people are being sent to Minecraft games that are on YouTube. If you go back, as they click the link, you're going to see your balance here, and it's no longer going to be $1. The more they click, the more your balance increases, and you can withdraw through PayPal. Another forum where you can post your link is called Steam. Steam is for games like Among Us. Among Us is another game on YouTube that is well watched. If you post it here, a lot of people will watch, and once they click your link and watch, you get paid as well. And I've told you how much ShrinkMe pays. So you are going to be paid $220 for every 10,000 views. And here you can easily get 10,000 views because this team has like 4 million visitors a day. So you can see that it's very possible for you to get traffic, people to click your link, and then you can make money through that link. So I have shown you how you can make money on YouTube. You can make more than $500 on YouTube if you follow these steps I've shown you. So this was all I had for you today. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it, and please leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time when I make another video. Bye bye.